In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fender splash shield on the Chevy Silverado. This sits on the corner between the bumper and the fender liner. Let's get started. Take a 10mm socket and remove the 4 fasteners that hold this shield on. 2 mounting nuts over here and 2 bolts over here. There it is. To reinstall, just line up the new one, thread on all the fasteners, and tighten them up. Repeat the same on the other side of the vehicle if necessary.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.